Understanding a round number in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a round number. It's a common term in English, especially in mathematics and everyday conversation. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. A round number refers to a number that is whole and easy to remember or use. These numbers are often used in approximations instead of exact figures. For example, if something costs $19.99, we might round it up to say it costs $20. This is because $20 is a simpler, more convenient number to work with. Round numbers are popular because they are easier to remember and calculate with. In daily life, it's more convenient to think of distances, prices, or quantities in round numbers. For instance, saying, about 300 people, instead of 298 people, makes the information easier to remember and communicate. Let's look at some examples. 1. Financial transactions. Prices are often rounded to the nearest whole number for simplicity. 2. Estimations. In casual conversation, we use round numbers to give rough estimates, like, I'll be there in about 10 minutes. 3. Mathematics. In math, rounding helps simplify complex calculations. Rounding numbers is a simple process. If a number is halfway between two round numbers, you round up. For instance, 1.5 rounds up to 2. If it's less than halfway, you round down, like 1.4 rounds to 1. Understanding the concept of a round number is helpful in both formal and informal English contexts. It simplifies communication and helps in making quick estimations. We hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.